This video will be talking about data types in Python. Let's just start here. First we do a variable. I name the variable like this. I give, for example, its value that like this. Then I type the script to display the data type. This type of script is used to view the data type. Then don't forget to save ya. Press Ctrl+S. Next in the terminal. Where are you? By using commands like this. Well, it looks like this that the data type isn't. If we change, for example, like this, we give pic2 like this. Apple. Yes, he must be I. Quotation marks. Either pic2 or pic1. Then don't forget to press Ctrl+S. Well, look at the results. Well, here is the data type is str. It means if. Inside the variable, this uses pic2 or pic1. The data type is str. Try to change it into a number, yeah. Is it still str? The data type. Well, it's still str, because this number is inside this quotation mark, so she was sandwiched with quotation marks. It is str data type. Okay. Next. Do it like this. We use commas. Comma in Python. That is the dot, like this. Okay. Don't forget to press Ctrl+S. Then try to argue. Well, like that. The data type is float. This float is used. It's the data type. Decimal number. So there's a divisio. The result is comma, comma. Yes, it is. Use data type float. Next, let's do it like this. For example, we make true. Ctrl+S. Where are you? UPS. There is something wrong. True, T must be capitalized. If not, it's wrong. Well, it worked, yeah. The data type is bool. Data type bool or boolean. It means that if data type bool or boolean value is true or false. False, we do it like this. The result will be the same. Well, like that. The data type, bool or boolean. Well, I think these three data types are frequently used. Hopefully this tutorial making friends become more understanding about data types. Thank you.